Hey everyone, welcome back to the Management Hub, the place where future leaders learn how to plan smart, lead strong, and manage better. So, if you ever felt overwhelmed by too many tasks and not enough time, so you're not alone. But what if I told you there is a simple tool used by all the leaders, executives, project manager to manage their priorities effectively? I'm Nikhil. Today, we will explore that. It is called as Eisenhower's Matrix. It can completely change the way you manage your time and decision. It was created by US President Dwight Eisenhower during World War II, who believed that success depends on knowing the difference between what is important and what is urgent. So, what is important and what is urgent? So important aligns with your long-term goals or a value. So that require long-term planning. However, urgent, that means something that is time sensitive, that need to be done pretty soon, else it will affect negatively. So let's think about your customer is demanding for a particular report which is not useful for a project. However, if customer will not happy, it may affect your project negatively. This matrix help us to manage timely by focusing on high value tasks, reducing the stress and preventing burnout. So Eisenhower's matrix help us to categorize task based on urgency, urgency and importance. So that will help us to improve time and priority. So in terms of urgency, over here, urgent and important. If a things is urgent and important, that need an immediate attention, so focus on that task first. But let's say a things which is urgent, however, it is not uh, a thing which is important but not urgent. So tasks that build long-term value, tasks that build long-term success, such as planning and team development, they can be little bit postponed. So we have to first focus on urgent and important task first. Then we have urgent but not important. So let's say interruption or low value task, they should be delegated. Let's say a client asks you to send them a report which is a daily update report, so which can be created by your teammates. So you can delegate that task to them, else you may delay it. Fourth one is not important and not urgent. So these are the time wasters. So what you have to do, you may have to uh, minimize those tasks or remove it completely. So the secret to success is spending the most of your time in a quadrant 2. So quadrant 2, where planning and growth happens. Quadrant 2, where planning and growth happens. Let's say let's apply this to a real project scenario. Suppose you are managing a software project, a client reports a critical bug. So that's urgent, important, because client is facing a problem. He is paying us for doing this job. If he is unhappy, it may, or if client will not able to use that product effectively, we will have a negative reviews. So that is urgent and important. Next, you need to prepare a training plan for new developers. So you have a team of new developers, and now you have to plan the training plan. You have to make up training plans. So in that one, it is important but not urgent. You can do it in afternoon as well. So that is a secondary thing. Third one, you, you are flooded with minor emails. There are lots of minor email from sales guys and everything. So in that one, you may If it is not urgent and not important, you can delegate that task to someone else. Or like you can, if you have a secretary, you can ask that her to review those emails. um, Things which are not important and not urgent, you you need to politely decline this. You need to be polite for that one. You cannot directly say, okay, I don't want to do that. Just say, I'm too much busy, I don't have time, can we delay it or we cancel it. By classifying this way, you focus on what truly matters and stay organized and lead more effectively. So this will help your time to be managed effectively. Once again, thank you for watching the Management Hub with Nikhil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insight to help you learn, lead, and manage better, because great leaders are not born, they are trained. Thank you, guys.